For anyone relocating clear across the country, should you drive the car yourself or ship it and just fly? Let's do the math. Say you're moving from California to Florida. That's about 2,745 miles. Here's what most people miss. The IRS values driving at around 70 cents a mile: gas, maintenance, wear, and depreciation. On this trip, that's about $1,920, plus 40 hours behind the wheel, 5 days on the road, hotels, food, and every risk out there. Now ship it with Rivalane instead. $1,920 door to door, the exact same real cost, and a 5-hour flight for around $180. For a couple hundred more than driving truly costs you, you get 5 days of your life back and 0 miles on your car. And the part that matters most, your peace of mind. Get your exact price in seconds. Go to Rivalane.com, use the shipping cost calculator, and reserve your spot on a licensed carrier today.